Holy crap, it's wet. Yeah, we'll head up the hill. Just ducking into China Beach here, so yeah, it should be a bit of fun. Been running the Meta in mullet mode, 29 front, 27.5 rear, which has been awesome for descending. But I have found that it's slackened it out quite a bit, so we might try and get jump 29 very shortly before we think about shortening the fork there. But as you can see, she descends pretty well. Out now, and we're heading down some easier flowy trails. I did have some footage of Channel 8, but unfortunately a little bit too moist and got mud all over the GoPro lens, so that's pretty much unusable, that footage. So we'll just duck in here, enjoy some sunshine and flow, and then finish off in the green fields below. So we've also got our Absolute Black giveaway here on our Instagram page there, so head across to the Breaks Wide Open Instagram page for your chance to win a Absolute Black chain ring of your choice. They make some awesome kits, and yeah, it really helps with climbing for me. I love an oval chain ring. So check out the link in our description below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and head over to Instagram, see if you can get yourself a free Absolute Black chain ring. It's been far too long since I've been out to Gap Creek. It's actually a really cool place to ride. So if you're heading out and want a bit of flow, a bit more technical stuff, hope you head up to China Beach and Channel 8. But otherwise, most of the trails are pretty flowy. Not a bad day, even though it was a little bit moist. So don't forget to click subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next video. Keep the brakes wide open.